Metro Optics celebrated their reopening Saturday in the Hunts Point section of the Bronx after their closing 2 years ago due to an upstairs fire. The celebration also honored late Dr. Henry Blum, the optometrist of the family-owned business.
We are so blessed to have a network of supporters that wanted to celebrate officially the reopening of this location. We have a 40-year history of partnerships and collaborations in the community, and also we have family members who have come from other states to join us for a tribute to Dr. Blum, who is the original proprietor of this location before Metro Optics took over.
He was just such a wonderful man as far as being a husband, a father, an optometrist. He worked for 62 years on Southern Boulevard and loved every minute of it.
Metro Optics, with 4 locations in Hunts Point, Westchester Square, Parkchester, and Bronx Neck, specialize in personalized vision care and eyewear, with prices ranging from high to low. Customers can find a variety of glasses that best suits their needs and budget.
I've been their eyewear ambassador for the past 4 or 5 years now. It has been a wonderful journey learning about the importance of eye care and, of course, wearing fashionable eyewear.
Among many other things, Metro Optics staff provided a plaque to the late Dr. Blum's wife, Patti, which also featured a ribbon cutting to celebrate the official reopening of the store.
Anytime someone engages like this in a community and rebuilds, you come out and applaud them. And you recognize them, and you hope that this sends a message to so many other Bronx businesses and businesses in New York City that if you're engaged and you're involved in a community, build it back. It means so much.
Metro Optics, a family-owned business of over 40 years, is celebrating their reopening and paying tribute to eye doctor Henry Blum. For more information about Metro Optics and what they do, please visit their website at www.metrooptics.com. Reporting for BronxNet, Cheyenne Frazier.